Good morning everyone. I am Norjana Manampen. Today we will discuss about the bottle of water or bottled water. Bottled water is a drinking water package in a plastic or glass water bottles. Bottled water may be carbonate or not. Size range from small single-serving bottle to large carboy for water coolers. So when we say bottled water, is a drinking water that is packaged either plastic or glass container. It can be carbonate or non-carbonate, catering to the different preferences. Ang mga size ng mga bottled water ay paiba-iba. May maliit na bottles and may malalaking bottled water para sa water cooler. So, there are 6 types of bottled water. First we have is spring water. So, when we say spring water, is a water that comes from underground sources where water naturally flow to the surface of the earth. It is usually clean and pure because it has not been contaminated by human. Malinis and fresh ang spring water. So, second is purified water. So, yung purified water is water that has been treated to remove impurities and contaminate, making it safe to drink. And also, bottled water is a simply purified water that is packaged in a bottle for easy consumption. So, third is mineral water. So, mineral water is a water that contains minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which are naturally present in the water sources. Bottled mineral water is a type of water that is bottled for drinking and often marketed for its mineral. So, the fourth is sparkling water. Sparkling water is the water that has been carbonated, meaning that the carbon dioxide gas nag-a-add siya ng pressure to create bubbles. Yung maliliit na bubble. Kung nakikita nyo kapag bumibili kayo ng mga soft drink, sparkling water is a type of water that is bottled and sold for drinking, providing a bubbly and refreshing alternative to still water. For example of sparkling water, yung mga soft drinks. So, next is artesian water. So, artesian water ay isang water na galing sa balon na hinuhukay kung saan ang tubig tumataas kahit na hindi. Next is artesian water. So, artesian water is a water na galing sa balon na hinuhukay kung saan yung tubig tumataas kahit hindi ito kailangan ipump, kundi kusa itong tumataas. And bottled artesian ay uri ng tubig na ito na kinokolekt mula sa mga balong at iniimbak ng mga bottle para sa iinom nito. So, iinom or gagamit nito. And the last one is well water. So, yung well water is a deep water na galing din sa balon na isang butas na hinuhukay sa lupa upang ma-access ang mga underground water source. And well water ay uri ng tubig na ito na kinukolekt mula sa mga balon at iniimbak na mga bottle para inumin. Madalas ang kumukuha o gumagawa nito ay yung mga taong nasa bukid, yung mga nakatira sa paligid ng mga bundok. Diba yung when we say well water is galing siya sa parang sa taas, then bumababa siya. Yun na yung galing siya sa taas, then bumababa siya. So that is a bottled water.